guys, I'm here with my friend. Basically, I'm just talking about the big subject of this week. Big subject is I want to fuck children. There's elephants, there's kids, there's elephants, and then there's kids. I mean, back in Chinatown, shit wasn't like this. It was easy to just get your own little baby and fucking. I love getting wasted with Nick. I love it. Nolties.
Are we gonna go outside and play in the snow?
Yes, right now.
Anyways, guys, I have a booger and I just don't know what to do about it. It's just going further and further down my face.
Ew, Nikki, that's nasty.
Now it's gone.